everyone, Hannah at Auto Key Chase. So we've come out to a custom that another locksmith had been to, was trying to remove the barrel and unfortunately managed to injure himself on site. So he's had to go off to the hospital and I've just arrived. Now I'm gonna have to go and get this out. So there's a release pin underneath here. Alright, once you've drilled through enough, you drill out the release pin. Once you've done that, you'll be able to pop a little, I'm going to use a bit of wire, but anything like that that's hard enough to go up through here, and then the ignition will pop out. So let's get a drill in there. There's that. Right guys, we got this ignition out. That was fun. So once you cleared your holes here, you'll be able to put, let me show you, I use this little bit of key ring, and you slot it up into this one. Just clear the space out so you can see it through the ignition when you're drilling, and you'll be able to see that pop up. Once you've got that clearance, you can then put it in here and then the ignition pops out. All right guys, so that's how you remove it. Neil? Hello. When you're fitting a new ignition, you need to turn that to position 1. That little switch at the back. I did it with a flat head. You just get it turned on to position 1 so we can fit this new ignition. I will get my words out in a minute. So we've got one here. When you put the ignition in, you have it obviously on position 1, but you want your ignition on position 1 as well. And then it just slots straight in. Got it turning. I'm not going to start the vehicle because this is just my key that I haven't programmed. I am going to program this key to the vehicle. It's got a new key blade in there. It's got a new ignition. Right guys, as you can see, van's all running. New key, ignition is all starting. Mark from Borough, from Kettering. This is his business. Bathrooms, kitchens, plastering. So if anyone in the Kettering area ever needs any work doing in this trade, I can highly recommend this gentleman. He's actually been and done my own house. Right guys, that is it for us at Auto Key Chase. Have a lovely day. Drop us a like and a subscribe. Take care. Bye now.